How to add name to your Mailchimp emails. So if you want to personalize your emails, then this is what you have to do. I will simply click on create here and choose a template. So I'm going to show you how you can add the person's name. Right here, if we scroll down, then you will see two. If we click on edit recipients, then you should be able to see this field. Personalize the send to field. Add merge tags to display your recipient's name and make it more personal and help avoid spam filters. Once we check this, then we have to select a tag. So for example, F name means first name, L name means last name. We can also do first and last name, or we can do custom, but for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to do first name. And once you have selected this tag, you will simply click on save. And now once you send an email to a person, it will appear as it is personalized and their name will pop up to as part of the email. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.